Comparing between single life and married life. Growth of human beings is a natural process that entails various stages from infancy, childhood, adolescence, teenage, adulthood and old age. People undergo various life experiences which could be universal or individual. When one reaches adulthood or maturity stage, he or she make personal decisions about life, for instance in regard to living a single life or a married life. Being single entails having nobody close to you to share personal life with, while living a married life entails being with a special person in life, husband or wife, with whom you share life issues with. There are various similarities and differences that could be drawn between a single life and a married life, and this piece of work gives an in-depth discussion of the issue. In a single life, everything that revolves around an individual is under the individual's control, and there are no considerations of others before making a decision in regard to home or other personal matters. All the success and fall downs of single persons are only of concern to them. There is a lot of privacy and freedom, including financial freedom. This is because the individuals own their lives wholly and do not have to be accountable to anybody else. Married life, on the other hand, entails some aspects of compromise, where one has to consider the partner's opinion in regard to an issue before making a decision, no matter how personal it may seem to be. It also involves a lot of sharing, for example time and other resources, with the family members, husband, wife and children. There are various benefits accrued to a married life, for instance having someone to share one's achievements and difficulties, to love and get love from, as well as comfort and emotional tie that could be missing in a single life. There is also an advantage of pooled income, especially where both partners are working. However, married life requires an extra effort to keep it working, unlike the single life that does not have any form of commitment. In summary, the general differences that exist between a single and a married life are companionship, responsibility and lifestyle. Most societies advocate for marriage life, with their arguments being based on the Bible, that life should be shared between two people and the benefits therein, such as having a happy life composed of children. It is also considered a healthy relationship that avoids health problems like heart attacks brought about by life pressures as a result of lack of a person to share personal issues with. Singlehood is viewed negatively as a form of immorality, and a person is perceived to be avoiding commitments associated with marriage at the expense of perpetrating immorality in the name of freedom. The choice between living a single or a married life is usually personal, although some may be forced by circumstances, for instance being single due to lack of a suitable partner or being forced to marry according to customs. Both single and married lifestyles have benefits and drawbacks, especially when they are viewed from the angle of the attributes involved, for example freedom, companionship as well as cost efforts. All the benefits enjoyed by a single or a married individual are not without a price, and hence one cannot clearly state the lifestyle that is better than the other, and the decision is therefore personal depending on how one takes it. This essay on comparing between single life and married life was written and submitted by user Dahlia Owens to help you with your own studies. You are free to use it for research and reference purposes in order to write your own paper. However, you must cite it accordingly.